Okay, I think we're in the final minute of pre-start right now. This blue boat over on the far right-hand side probably wants to start coming back. That blue boat over on the left, similar story. And reds as well. So that's 1 minute just gone. This blue boat is flapping in the middle of the screen. Quite happy with where they are. They could do something a bit more active. There you go. So just pushing towards both red boats, just forcing them to tack. If you've got two boats there, one can block underneath, like what he's doing, and then the other can stop him from tacking. So blue boat just forcing that red boat up. I'd say you're a little early if that was just 1 minute. So now that the red boat has tacked, you could see it would have been an advantage if one of the other blue boats just stopped him from tacking. So you can work 2 on 1 if you have the capacity. Reds are having a little bit of a pickle. Blues have done a really nice job of just holding them out at the boat. So red, the moral of the story is that actually started happening about a minute ago when you were over on the left-hand side and the blues were already on the right. It's the kind of thing of, oh, what can I do in that position? The main thing is don't be in that position to begin with. Annoying to hear when you're actually in that position, but still. Okay. Now just watch for tacking and covering from the blue boats. You should be able to predict what happens if one of those red boats tacks. They might be pretty close to laying. I think it's not the most square of race courses right now. Looks like a pretty solid 1-2 for the blues. Maybe even a 1-2-3. Yeah, looks like a pretty solid 1-2-3.